In this video, we're going to solve the functional equation f of x plus square root of x equals 2x. We're going to solve for f of x. And the first thing we can see is that square root of x, well, the inside has to be bigger than 0, so x is bigger than 0. So let's let y be the inside of this f, so that'll be x plus the square root of x. We're going to write it as square root of x quantity squared plus square root of x. We're going to solve for square root of x. So we get square root of x quantity squared plus square root of x. 1 times square root of x minus y equals 0. We're going to solve it with the quadratic formula, leaving us with square root of x equals negative b, which is negative 1, plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a, which is 1. So this will be negative 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 4y all over 2. But this square root of x is bigger than 0. So instead of the plus minus, we can just get rid of it and just say plus. Because if it was minus, it would always be negative. Okay, so now we want 2x. So now we have to solve for x. So we have to square root of x. So we get square root of 1 plus 4y minus 1 quantity squared equals 2 squared, which will be 1 plus 4y minus 2 times square root of 1 plus 4y. Then negative 1 squared is plus 1. 2 times 2 squared is 4. And 1 plus 1, we can replace that with just 2. We can divide by 2 on every term, so we get 1 plus 2y minus square root of 1 plus 4y all over 2. But now we're going to multiply. We're going to multiply by 2, so we get the 2 will cancel in the denominator, leaving us with 1 plus 2y minus the square root of 1 plus 4y. So our original equation is f of x plus square root of x being equal to 2 times x. So this will be f of this whole term, and the parameter will be y. 2x will be replaced with 1 plus 2y minus the square root of 1 plus 4y. Okay, so now we're going to do a simple substitution, y equals x. And that will give us f of x being 1 plus 2x minus the square root of 1 plus 4 times x. And now x has to be bigger than 0. And that is the end of the video.